when is your deadline for this project?
We had to push it 2 weeks after January.
Oh.
Because someone can't make up their mind.
Okay, I guess what it. That's for a date.
I want to go home now.
That's for a date.
So we're doing vocals today. So I got my computer, I got to type it, and
Oh, okay. So you have your lyrics.
yeah. I will.
Yo. Camera out of my face. The engineer. The audio engineer.
The person that doesn't like to be
Film.
No. See, this is the thing. I asked him, and like from the beginning, and I have his text messages, so I got receipts, and he was like, "Well, I was like, can I record this?" And he was like, "Yeah, sure, Aaliyah." And then now he's like,
But I'm camera shy, so.
Then why did you say that?
Your skin looks great.
Oh, thank you.
I know, right? So we're in the midst right now on a little bit of track 4 and trying to figure out what's the best what's the best tempo or elements, instruments that I want to put in track 4. Track 4 is a little tricky, and you'll see why when in due time the project will be dropped. But yeah.
Nice meeting you.
Well, nice meeting you.
God, you're sending him away.
I'm not sending him away. He just said he had to go to work.
I know, I'm kidding. I know he has to work. Can you see you, Julian?
Very nice to meet you, ladies. Well, I'll see you around. Take care. Good luck. Sounds good so far. Keep it up.
Right.
Thanks. Yeah.
Can you please stop?
What? Your skin looks beautiful.
I need to make sure somebody else calls me so I can
Can you stop wearing Nike?
I gotta take this.
Oh yeah, please. Yeah. Oh yeah, I gotta take this too right now.
Oops.
And that's what I want to drop.
Okay.
The project. Because it's... What? Why are you looking at me like that, Will?
I'm tired, but you're not helping.
I'm not looking at you like this.
What do you mean I'm not helping?
I said my body actually is tired, but you're not helping.
I'm draining. Can you get some? I'll pay for the coffee if you get some coffee.
I'm not getting coffee.
No hi-hats.
Well, that sounds good. I just don't know where to do it. How to do it yet. Okay, so what is this? You feel this or not?
I'm already writing.
Oh, you like it?
Yeah. If I'm writing, that means I like it. I thought we were doing vocals today.
We could. I just wanted to start it on at least
the third track.
The third track, so
okay.
I know how to finish it. Right.
Okay. I have another reference too, not that track, but like
the fifth track.
Yeah.
I need references for the last track.
Listen on anything.
It's a little dramatic.
Kill Bill.
Yeah.
Ding 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 ding. Like that?
What? I need you to listen, but you're on this track, so I'm just gonna let you finish.
All right.
So I am recently writing track 4. Yeah, that's just me being Aaliyah. Just simmering, darling. So I am recently trying to write this song. This song, track 4, is about just a little bit of backstory, kind of like running away from someone that you know you want to be involved with, but you know in your heart you're not supposed to be with that person, like, on God. So, but for some reason I just have writer's block for this track, because the track is really like bomb right now, but you kind of see that I'm like, okay, all right, what we doing? Yeah, so with this particular beat, it doesn't take me that long to write a song, but for some reason I'm getting writer's block. And it's okay to get writer's block, because it's not, every track is not perfect. Every timing of writing a song is not always going to be 45 minutes. It could be possibly, 2-3 hours, but I was there just for a little bit more. Yeah. But he loves me. Right, Will? No response. So I'm not loved? Hello?
I spent an hour doing this. Why didn't you just stop me from the get-go? I don't understand.
I was testing you.
Whatever.
I'm sorry. I apologize.
I'm gonna keep that track.
Alright, keep it. Yeah, I feel pretty... You can tell on my face that I'm like, oh, let's get this together. But in reality, in real life, I'm kind of like, oh my gosh, like, what is wrong with me? Like, it's like I'm kind of losing it a little bit, but I'm trying to, like, be encouraged, just have that positive attitude. I do kind of feel bad because Will, he really worked hard on that track, and now I'm telling him, can you please do another? And I'm just like, so that's kind of a little bit of just a little rift between us right now, but we'll be getting it soon.
It's on.
It's off. It was on. He's happy again, so he likes me again. Yeah. Because we had some disagreements again. And he was like, I need fresh air. He was like, I need fresh air. Because this girl's driving me nuts.
Pretty much.
I'm not dramatic.
Drama master.
I'm not drama. Well, if I'm drama, then your attitude. That makes me want to have... Just makes me want to just...
on Netflix. Drama and attitude.
Drama and attitude.
Aaliyah drama.
Weekly episodes.
I'm not drama.
Actually,
He just has an attitude.
Because it's funny.
He has an attitude.
You guys would be good TV if we had a show. Aaliyah and I we've said like so many times that we need a reality show. Just like from our family stuff, it's ridiculous. It could be
attitude.
Of you guys in the studio.
Attitude.
Doing this.
I'm not dramatic.
I just didn't know how to.
Fine, I am dramatic, but
She's a dramatude.
Oh.
You're a manitude.
Oh gosh, I'm so done.
Sonic.
I'm hungry. So bad about himself. That's what he would look like.
You don't look like the thick kind no more.
It's too late.
You're out of it. You're out of it. You're out of it.
You already said it.
You're out of it.
People, can you help me? Please help me. This girl is killing me slowly. Oh my god.
I'm not killing you. The only thing is It was just this one track. I'm so sorry. Again, I'm gonna keep on saying my week. My week is, I don't know what the crap happened. Look how thick he is. Ladies, go ahead.
It's my sweater.
No, I meant the face.
It's not.
You really,
bad.
yo,
Thick
seriously.
is not associated with bad.
Right, thick means
Bad
you
looking.
look good. You look great.
You look healthy.
You look
You
healthy.
don't look emaciated. You want to look like a stick?
Yeah.
Oh.
Why?
Well, I'm sorry. Sorry,
Well, I don't
Aaliyah.
care enough to look like a stick.
You don't care enough.
Then you love your thickness.
I don't love my thickness.
You don't love your thickness, but you're not. You don't care enough to.
Yeah,
to
I
yourself
don't
to
mind
stick.
my thickness. I don't love it.
At least you don't mind it.
I don't mind it.
Maybe a girl will like it.
Maybe.
I'm telling you, DM him
If
Don't
if
DM
he
me.
ends up
tonight.
I low-key wanted to happen so he could have stories. Story time with Will.
Story time.
What if he's with who?
No, if he gets like people sliding his DMs. And so
Oh,
they
we
slide
gotta-
it on the video.
We gotta document that.
And...
We have to. Like, he's single. He's ready. He wants a family. He wants to be married. He wants to have millions and billions and billions of kids. Right?
Man, I do look thick. Legs look so thick.
No, they don't. If that's the case, then you look like Frosty the Snowman. But see, but it's attractive.
Now
I don't understand. Girls love that.
Back home.
Yeah, girls love that.
Yo, you know they have a rapping competition, not like rap, like hip hop, but like rapping gifts.
Oh, really?
Yes,
That's wild.
It's a legit. I was like, wait, this is a real thing. It's like a real thing.
Help me. This girl is killing me
I'm not killing
with
you.
stress.
Don't listen to
Stress.
him.
I'm stress eating right now.
How are you stressed? How are you stressed?
Aaliyah, when is your deadline for this project?
We had to push it 2 weeks after January
Oh,
because
because
someone can't make up their mind.
Okay, I guess what it. I just asked for a date.
I want to go home now.
I just asked for a date. Oh my god.
I know.
And
Hello.
I'm hard to please, maybe. Bless you.
Excuse me. Man, this girl is stressing me out so bad. I'm catching a cold right now. Oh my lord.
First off, the first track, okay, great. The
and
third.
second track, there's
So now
2.2.
he's speaking for me.
There's 2 tracks.
Great, thank you, lawyer.
The only thing that we nailed it was the 4th track. That one the second track. The 4th track took me another 2 beats because she cannot make up her mind.
I can make up my mind because you know why? I want my fans to have the best freaking EP in the world, okay? Like,
Yes.
This is why I'm nervous, okay? I'm nervous. I'm sorry. I'm nervous.
That's why I'm dying inside right now.
So you're a diehard fan now?
No, not because of the fans.
This is for the fans, okay? Bomb Squad, I really want y'all to really love this project. Just stop looking at, just stop. But I'm just saying, like, it's not me. It's not fine. It is me.
Oh
I just
my
want y'all to love the music, okay? That's it. And I'm in an area that I just can't think.
My soul
That's
has
not
been
my
sucked.
That's not an excuse. Like, this is real, like...
No, I'm just kidding. No, we're trolling. We're making some good music. Good progress.
You said all this.
I was just I'm a little camera shy, so, you know, I don't want to be...
How you camera shy? I just cameraed
He's
you
still-
like 2 videos
He's
ago.
Still mixing Adidas with Nike. It drives her nuts.
I only wear what I have. That's all.
Okay, that's fair.
But you could at
Do you
least
have,
bought you a Nike
Or
hat.
even, just like a no name, just like a regular.
I do, but they're thin. and it's
Oh,
cold
and
right
it's
now.
cold.
So,
Fair enough.
What do you mean? So it's cold.
who cares? You can't mix Adidas
Well, he does it all
and
the time. It's his style.
Nike.
It's Adidas, Nike,
That's disrespectful.
Adidas.
That's disrespectful.
Oh, I have Reeboks out there too.
That's true. You do have.
Yeah.
This one is warm, Leo.
I know.
I'm gonna sleep like this.
It's fuzzy.
I think I'm gonna get a teddy one. But,
Oh, that coat.
pink, like a mauve.
He over here talking about, oh, I'm shy. Then I was trying to give him a gift. I was trying to give you a present.
Thank you. I would gladly take the present.
What about my present?
Maybe.
So we're not
I think
friends?
Randy has got you, so you
You
know.
see, I don't know about that.
So we're not friends no more? That's it?
I never said that. I don't give my friends gifts.
Why not?
Dang, you guys don't gift exchange?
No, dude, we're dudes.
Yeah. Okay. Well,
Oh.
but still, guys don't do that.
You don't have any
No.
girls that are
I mean-
friends?
Like I'd give you like a spa kit or something, but just like
You don't have
All right,
girls
if
that
we
are
do
friends?
we do like group things with girls, and like we do like Secret Santa.
so it has to be women have to be involved for you to think about doing a gift thing.
Yes.
If there aren't any, then it's not a thing you think about.
Yeah.
I'm a woman.
Okay.
I'm trapped. She trapped me. I don't want to do it.
And today.
That one's pretty chill. Just kidding, it's not chill.
But yeah, you have to take a the dun dun. I don't like that now. No more.
Okay, I'll do it later. No.
Again.
Yeah, that's easy. That's easy.
Again, ladies, he's single.
Please don't DM me.
DM him.